Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel series from MPowerUrge. So, to join two or more strings into one string, right? So, let's say we'll write first name, then middle name, then last name, okay, and then full name, okay. Then let's say name is Shah Rukh Khan, so Shah, then Rukh, Shah Rukh, and the last name be Shah Rukh Khan. Khan will be the last name. So here we'll put a formula called concat. So is equals to concat, and then we'll drag it to A2 comma B2 and again comma C2, then brackets closed and enter. It combines all the three columns and into one.